Everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing a pick a card reading for you guys. This is going to be, will they reach out to you, yes or no? I have pulled out two piles here, pile 1, pile 2, pink pile and yellow pile. Pick whichever pile you want to choose to see will they reach out to you or not. Before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's dive into the reading. Let's find out. For the people who chose pink pile, let's find out. Will they reach out to you, yes or no? Pink pile. Let's find out. Will they reach out to you? Ta-da! Knight of Swords paired up with Knight of Pentacles. They will, but I feel like, it's not going to be exactly how you want it to be. Like, maybe you would be expecting them to reach out to you to say that, I want a new beginning or something around those lines, but they might not reach out to you saying that. You might see some positive response coming from them, but maybe it's not going to last long. Plus, I feel like, it's not going to be how you are expecting it to be. They will definitely reach out to you, but the connection, the communication won't last long. That's what I'm picking up. It's like the way they are going to rush in is going to be the way they are going to rush out of your life as well. So I don't see the connection is going to last. Now the reason could be different for different people, but yes, I do see that maybe it's again the same situation that made you part ways earlier. It's going to be like maybe you want something stable, they don't want that. Maybe they want to come back and just ask about how everything is going in your life or stuff like that, and then they're going to walk away again. So it could be that as well. For some of you, you might just bump into this person and then that's how you re-communicate with this person, but again, it's not going to last long. So let's take some clarifiers here, because I feel like that's going to be it. It's going to be short-lived communication that you're going to be having with this person, or short-lived positive thing happening in this connection between you and this person. Let's see, what else do we have? Will they reach out? They will. It's a big yes with the Ten of Cups. They will, but let's see. I feel like it's gonna be a different thing for everyone out there, but the answer is a big yes. They are going to reach out. Now, two things is what I'm picking up. You, when they reach out, you really have to make it very clear what do they want, what do you want out of this connection, because I feel like there is still some sort of communication between the two of you. When they reach out, when you start talking to each other, you have to make it very clear what is it that you both want. And if not, then try to take it very easy, because otherwise if you start expecting too much from this person, too heavily from this person, they might run away again. So either there are two ways to deal with this one person that you're going to be having communication coming from. One, you take it lightheartedly. Two, make it clear between the two of you. Now if you want to make it lighthearted and stuff like that, you want to go slow about this connection, then don't talk about commitments and all those things. You will be happy, they will be happy, and that's how it should be. Like unfold, let it unfold naturally. If you want a stable connection, if you don't want to have fun, or you don't want to waste your more time into into this connection, this person, then maybe you could clear things out with him or her, that what do you have to offer, what do they have to bring into this connection. Make it clear, like it has to be balanced. Both people involved in this connection should be sharing their heart out. You want to have fun, okay, go have fun. You want commitment, let's let that be clear between the two of you. We are going for commitment, or we are just having fun. Let that air get clear before you start something new together, because otherwise, if there is a mismatch, if you want something else, they want something else, you expect something else, they expect something else, it's not going to last long. But if the energies are mutual, they are giving into this connection 50%, you are giving your 50%, is going to go well. If you start giving 90% and you start expecting higher and higher from this person, it's going to go flat again. So just be mindful of that. Communication, yes, it is coming. They are going to reach out. Yes, definite yes. And they will be happy doing so as well. But again, how you take it to the next level, how you stay in this connection with this person is going to be a different thing for different people out there. So yeah, let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. Sanctuary, take time out from the world, spend more time alone, meditate, or go on retreat. um Spending some time together is going to help you a lot in this connection. It's going to be like, you both away from the worldly pressures is going to bring you a lot of abundance in this connection. A lot of things that you haven't shared could be shared then. A lot of things that you couldn't say to them, they couldn't say to you because of the work pressures, family pressures, this and that, responsibilities and stuff like that. I feel like, if you could take some time out for each other and be together for away from anything and everything that was earlier the issue between the two of you, it's gonna bring you a better understanding of the connection. So try having some us time, or our time with this person, because that's going to help you to have a clarity around how you both want to take this connection. Now, if this person reaches out to you, before you start talking to this person, it's very important for you to understand what do you want with this person. Once you know that, let this person know that too. That's very important. It's going to be very, very, very important for the two of you to build the foundation of this connection right now when you start talking to each other. Why? Because if you don't have the foundation, it's not going to last long. Again, the same message. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. Consider your foundation. Look at how committed you are to love. It's very important to build the foundation of this connection is very important. Now the foundation has to be balanced. Like it can't like stand long. It can't stand for long, or it can't go for long term if it's not balanced. If you are putting in too much in this connection, they are not. It's not going to last again. So you really have to make sure you share your heart out with each other once you come back together. Talk about it, like talk about partnership, how you both want to take this connection. It should be completely discussed between the two of you before you start anew together. Then see how it goes, let things unfold naturally after that. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for the people who chose the pile pink. Let's move on to the people who chose yellow pile. Let's see, will they reach out to you? Let's find out. Let's start with the tarot first, and then we're going to take the oracle cards. Let's see, will they reach out? Four of Pentacles, Ace of Wands. No, until and unless they are ready to start a new connection with you, they will not reach out. Right now, they are holding themselves back, so I don't think that they are going to reach out to you anytime soon. If you want, you can start talking to them, but it's going to be pretty much one-sided. So it's like, if you're willing to have a one-sided connection right now, you can go for that. But I don't see them reaching out to you. They are not ready and prepared for any sort of a beginning with you right now. But I feel like, in times to come, maybe in 2 to 3 weeks time or more than that, they might come forward. But right now, there's like, no chance of them reaching out to you. Maybe for majority of you who chose yellow pile, you would be the one reaching out to them. But again, even if you do so, this person is not going to be willing to get into this communication with you. They won't be responding you well. It would be pretty much one-sided connection. So if you really want something stable, something beautiful with this person, I feel like it's not going to happen anytime soon. It's not going to happen before 1 month time from now. From the time you watch this video, this person is going to take some time to break free from whatever it is that could be the reason why they're pulling away from this connection right now. They might be working towards making some money, or working on their pentacles, or bringing some stability to themselves, or something around those lines. But yes, I don't see them interested into anything else right now, but their career, their financial goals is the passion that they have right now. So they are not going to reach out to you anytime soon. Let's see the clarifiers here. Will they reach out to you? it's not gonna work out. Like, I don't see them reaching out to you, because I feel like you want to communicate, they don't have time to communicate even. So it's like their work is all that they're focusing on right now. So it's not gonna happen. Like, even if you reach out to them, you are not going to stay in touch with them for long, because that's not gonna bring you emotional satisfaction. So it's a no situation. they will not give into this connection because they are not available right now. So let's see. Ace of Wands. You might see some positive changes from this person time to time. Maybe they will, like I said, it's like, how the one-sided connection is. Like, you would send them 10 messages, this person is going to send you back one message. Then you're going to send them 10 messages, they're going to reply with one message. So that's, one-sided to, it's pretty much one-sided connection. And it's not like, this person is not interested. It's just that this person doesn't have you or love life as their top priority right now. They are too obsessed with something related to their career and finances. And I don't see it working well for the two of you. I don't see that it would ever work with this, circumstances, with this energy of your person. It's like, this person will keep going back and forth, on and off. When they have time, they will talk to you. When they don't have time, they will not. So they are not going to talk to you. They are not going to reach out to you. If you reach out, they will talk. If you don't, they will not. But you both are soulmates. Do you know that? It's like, you both are soulmates, but right now it's not the right time for the two of you to come together as partners right now, life partners right now. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. Strength. This challenge will make you stronger. You will get through to be the other side. Look for the gifts in this situation. I feel like, when the whole situation that is happening right now, it's basically making you both stronger. Your connection is also getting strong with this, time apart between the two of you. With no communication or less communication, I feel like, you both are understanding the need you both have. In your person needs the space from time to time, and they are trying to make you understand that with their, sometimes they give into this connection when they want, or when they are free, sometimes they pull away. So they are basically kind of, preparing you for this them. And I feel like, your person could be very workaholic as well. So it's like, they are basically, the universe is basically trying to teach you both some lessons about the way you both are. So you, when come together as a couple, you would know how you both are, and you would accept each other the way you guys are. So it would last till forever. The connection that you're gonna have, ultimately with each other. I feel like, it's a there are certain things happening in this connection right now which you need to learn a lesson from. So just be mindful of that. Turn on your heart light. Reflect on a time when you experienced love. I feel like, if you could see the situation from the heart light, or from the perspective of love, you are going to still love this person as much as you used to love this person back then, when they used to give into this connection, or when they used to give you more time. It's just that you are now seeing the real them, and that's how they are, and that's how they will be. So it's like, if you still love them, then be a part of their life and be with them, stay with them. If you if you think that you don't love them anymore, it's your choice. It's like, you might walk away from them if you want. But that's how it is, that's how they will be. So you have to love them, accept them the way they are. And if you thinking of the good times that you spent together does make you feel like, you need this person, and you believe that this is your soulmate, then go ahead, wait on for this person, be their strength, and let the universe bring you together when you both are when you both are different individuals, on more matured, somebody who knows, like, two people are never the same. So you accept them, you have some acceptance towards how they are, and they have acceptance towards how you are. And that's how you start a beautiful connection with a solid foundation to that. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this reading. If the reading resonated with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.